Question number 8 of exercise 8.4 chapter 8. Question is sin A plus cos A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square. So we have LHS sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. So first of all we'll do the simplification. Let's open the bracket using identity A plus B whole square. So this will give us sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. This we have opened first bracket, then second bracket. Cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Now let's open all the brackets. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. 2 sin A cosec A means 1 by sin A. We have converted this plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. So we have to write whatever we are using here. So first is 1 by sin A is equals to cosec A, and the second one is 1 by cos A is equals to sec A. So now we'll get sin square A. Now we'll write cos square A with it, because when we add sin square and cos square we get 1, so we'll write it together, plus cosec square A plus sec square. We'll convert this one also in next step. Okay, sec square A, and here we are getting sin got cancelled, cos got cancelled, so we are getting 2 plus 2. Here sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1 plus cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square. Okay, so this is cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A, because we have to see what are the things we are required in right hand side, sorry. So in right hand side we want tan square A and cot square A also. So we have got here in this term plus 4. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus cot square A plus tan square. This is equals to RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. Identity used here are 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A. These are two identities. Question number 9, cosec A minus sin A is equal into sec A minus cos A is equals to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay, so we want from cosec, sin, sec and cos, we want tan and cot in right hand side. So let's do it. First of all we'll convert this 1 by sin A minus sin A and 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay, we know that cosec and sec are reciprocals of sin and cos. So here we'll take LCM 1 minus sin A upon sin square A, 1 upon cos A 1 minus cos square A. Okay, up to here we have taken LCM, and see, here only 1 was there, here also 1 was there, so we multiplied it. Now for 1 minus sin square A we can write cos square A upon sin A, and for 1 minus cos square A we can write sin square A upon cos A. Now 1 cos will cancel with this one of the cos, and here also, so we'll get cos A into sin. See, we want tan and cot here. Okay, so this is the only question in your exercise which you have to solve with taking both the sides, right hand side and left hand side. You can solve it in other way also, but it will be easier for us. So we'll write RHS is equals to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So now convert this sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A. Now we have to simplify this. Sin A into cos A. So what we will get here? Sin square A. In here we are taking sin A and cos A LCM, so sin square A, and same we will get here cos square A. Now this denominator of denominator always goes to numerator, so here we'll get sin A into cos A upon sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So first of all write it, sin square A plus cos square A. So we'll get sin A into cos A. See, this was our LHS. So we are getting here also same thing. So our LHS, we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, question number 10. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 minus tan A 1 upon 1 minus cot A is equals to tan square A. At the end we have to reach up to tan square A. So we have to do this question in 2 steps. Let's see how can we do. So first of all we'll write LHS 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A we know sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. This is very simple. So we'll write here 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A. So here let us simplify it. 1 by cos square A upon 1 by sin square A. So 1 by cos square A into sin square A upon 1. So sin square A upon cos square A is equals to tan square. Okay, second part of the question, 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to tan square A. Okay, so how can we solve this? This is 1 minus sin A upon cos A. We have converted tan and cot here, and 1 minus cos A upon sin A. So we'll get here cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Now we are solving only numerator. Taken cos A as LCM. So cos A minus sin A upon cos A into, now we are solving denominator. Sin A is the LCM. So denominator of the denominator comes to numerator. So here sin A upon sin A minus cos A and the whole square. Now Now see, in numerator you have cos A minus sin A, and in denominator we have sin A minus cos A. So we have to convert this. Okay, so we'll take out minus sign here common, or you can say we will multiply this with minus sign. So we'll get here sin A minus cos A upon cos A into, this is a very important step here, otherwise you will not able to solve this question, sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay, so sin A cancelled, and here we'll get minus sin A minus cos A, this whole step, the whole term will cancel with this. So we'll here in numerator we'll get only minus sin A upon cos A whole square. So we'll get, when we square any negative term we get positive term only. So sin square A upon cos square A, that is equals to 10 square A, and this is our LHS is equals to RHS.